Let's turn our attention to the real estate space. Well, the space has been underperforming actually post the hawkish commentary that came in from the RBI, and also there were expectations of more rate hikes. That's what could impact demand. But to understand whether or not it is as of now, we're joined by Mr. Atul Goel, the Chief Financial Officer at Brigade Enterprises. Hi, Mr. Goel. Good morning. Thanks so much for joining in. Well, let's talk about our home city from where we are coming across. Mumbai registration data suggested that low-ticket housing is seeing a bit of a slowdown in terms of demand. Do you concur? Is that true?
Good morning. I cannot say much about the Mumbai, but I should say in South cities, the momentum is there. And what we have done in Q3, that momentum continues in Q4. So we are very hopeful that in spite of increasing interest rates, what you were talking before, there are challenges, but I think there is a great demand for the housing sector. I think the cycle has come after 8 years, and we think it should continue. As far as interest rate cycle is concerned, generally India's home loan interest rates have been between 8 to 9%. So it has reached to that level. So I don't think so it should dent so much. But yes, all the real estate players have to be cautious on the rising interest rates and the RBI commentary.
Okay, all right. So you're saying demand is strong. I just thought if you could give us a sneak peek into the Mumbai market, but I know that you don't have very large exposure out here. So you're saying that the parts where you are functioning, demand is rock solid, and you believe that maybe interest rates are peaking out as well. That's great news. What about price increases? Have you managed to push through some of that? I recall, in the past you indicated that you're in launch phase. Have prices as well moved higher?
Definitely, prices have increased higher. You can just see the latest prop equity report where they are saying that prices across India is increasing in properties. In Bengaluru, overall, it has gone to 6 to 7%. We have taken price increase of around 8 to 10%, and this will continue. Launches are also at much higher rate than what it were or what you have planned. So there is a demand. Till demand is there, price increase will be there. But yes, of course, real estate developers are cautious not to overprice it and then have a inventory overhang. So if you also see the supply is very less than the absorption which is there in the market in all the three cities, and inventory overhang in Bangalore is 10 months, in Hyderabad it is 14, in Chennai it is again 15, 16 months. So inventory has been coming down. More launches are coming, and of course, this will lead to price increases as well.
No, this 8 to 10, Atul, hi, good morning. 8 to 10% would be over a period of time, right? Or this is recent? I mean, over the last 1, 2, 3 months. 8 to
10% will be over time. You can say
over time.
In this 9 months. But see, the difference is that when you are taking launches you are doing at much higher prices what you would have done maybe 2 years back. So that is major difference.
Right. Now, can you tell us, in terms of pre-sales, where will you end up? 9 months, I think you're at about 2,600 crores. Where will you end up for the full year, sir?
It's very, we would not like to give guidance, but I can say Q4 will be much better than Q3, and we will definitely surpass our last year pre-sales target, definitely.
So, just on that point, Atul, what the Mumbai market is witnessing is a rush towards luxury houses because of what the budget announced. I mean, the regime changes from the 1st of April. Is that something that you're witnessing in Bengaluru and some of the other southern markets that you operate in? And if that's the case, I mean, my concern is that will Q4 be a big pop quarter because everybody's rushing to buy these houses before the 10 crore cap comes in, and then will things taper down from the first quarter of next year onwards?
10-year cap is a very, very high luxury housing. In Bengaluru or in South, to get a house of 10 crores is a big news. So I don't think so it is going to affect in South. Of course, Mumbai and NCR will have that effect. That's why people are rushing. In Bangalore, Chennai and Hyderabad, we are present. We are not seeing anything, and you don't have 10 crores houses on a regular basis, which comes here in these three cities.
All right, Mr. Goel, a couple of days ago, we had Mr. Razak of Prestige Group who joined in, and he was giving us their ambitious plans for 2026. they said that from around 12,000 crores of pre-sales, they're going to go close to double that. Do you all have any targets by 2025, say for Brigade Enterprises? What should the numbers look like from current reckoning?
So, see, I'll not give you the specific targets, but I'll say that we are targeting around 20 to 25% increase in pre-sales year on year. So, what we are targeting is to achieve 10 million pre-sales in next 2-3 years, and that is what we are targeting right now.
10 million, 10 million square feet. This is over 2 years, right? Because you'll be about 5 million square feet a year. In FY23 also you'll be around 5, right?
Yeah, so we in 23 we will be surpassing the last year pre-sales definitely, and then after that we are targeting 20 to 25% of
growth, year-on-year growth.
Year-on-year growth, provided the market is good.
All right, and you're saying the market is good as of now. Atul, great to have you with us here. Thank you very much for your time.